Alright, so welcome to the road to 2000. We're trying to get 2000 ELO. I don't know if we're ever going to get there, but we're definitely going to try. So, let's see what we're going to get today. Someone from the Ukraine. And we're going to be the white pieces. Okay, we've seen this before. We're going to be playing the, this sort of... I don't know. I still don't know what it's called. You know. Okay, let's lock it down. And immediately get. Maybe we should have taken first, but so far there's really no reason. Okay. I guess we'll just support that for now. Locking it down. Takes. And let's go here. Okay. And I think we can go here, actually. Alright. A little checky. Oh, we're doing good. Attacking the knights. Where's the knight gonna go? Man, this hyper-aggressive stuff, am I right, guys? Okay, I was not expecting that. That's a shame. We'll have to be a little bit more patient. Here. What about that? I mean, takes, I don't know, chess instinct. Okay. Going for this. That'll be another checkmate. Okay, they cover. Now we can even sack. Wow. Oh, now we don't have a choice. Are they gonna take with the knights? No, they do not. Oh, they have the bishop, damn, and the knight, of course. Wait, what am I doing? I don't know. I mean, can we really keep on with this aggressive play? Maybe, just maybe. The king is wide out in the open. Here, check, takes... Or should we go attack the rook? Maybe. No, wait! So the bishop can take. Okay, we might as well just... Oh, we can take. Or we can pin. And then take. Well, they've got to check. Damn. That's too bad. Man, they're playing quick as well. Hyper aggressive stuff. Oh, they actually don't play it? Well, then we'll just take it. We'll take a rookie on the way out. Okay. Okay, we're actually doing pretty okay. Let's just slow down for a moment. Wait, I can actually take that because it's pinned. Oh my god. Wait, no. Yeah, no. It's okay. Well, thank you very much. Check. Oh! Oh! Okay, this is a winning endgame with a rook. You're not gonna take my pawn, mister. No, sir-ee. Okay, let's just absolutely start gobbling up some pawns. You can take my pawn if you want. Oh, okay, thank you. We'll collect that pawn. Thank you very much. I can't believe this. Okay, well, this pawn is just, you know, making it straight to queendom. They were playing just way too fast, you know? And, well, you know. Alright, well, let's activate our king. Okay, I'll take that trade any day of the week. Yes, come on! Again with this opening, we did it! That's what I'm talking about, folks. That's what I'm talking about. Just a smooth sailing, easy queasy win. 80 and 80. So we were playing aggressive makes me play fast. So we got back into theory here for some reason. That's a mistake apparently. What's the best? Castling first, you know. Oh. Taking that first apparently. Wait, why? Wait, what? They're threatening to win a pawn by overloading a defender, but you know. So what was the best? So show follow-up. Whatever. These are all minute differences. What was the best? Just quickly, just immediately going, okay. We got some great moves. That was not even the best. What's the best? Getting the knight in. Okay. That's a great move by them. Great move. Yeah, we didn't have a choice. So what was the best? Rook to the party. We didn't do that. That's a mistake. Wait, yeah, we could have outright won the bishop if we just... Right, yeah. I don't know. Okay, well, you know. And that's a mistake. There we won the rook. That's a great move. That's actually the best move. That's not even a brilliance. There we go. Won the rook. That's not even the best move. What was the best? You know. Then they made us... They just traded all their pieces like a noob. And then it was easy sailing. We won the game. Clean. So, that's what it's all about. See you next time. Bye-bye.